Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. So today I'm learning about lists in Python. Lists are very important for data science. So I thought of recording this session. Basically, if anyone learning Python or data science can follow along. Lists are very important concepts. Before jumping into advanced labels like pandas, numpy, or matplotlib, so we'll start with list. So lists are basically built-in data types. There are four built-in data types, which is tuple, sets, and dictionary, which I will cover later on. Lists is one of the important concepts here. List basically store ordered collection of data using square brackets. I will basically verify them on VS Code. So this is about creating the list, right? So we will first understand why do we need list. So let's jump into our VS Code. Let's open the terminal. We will just go inside the directory cd python, just activate our virtual environment. Done. Now we will just jump into the book python Jupyter book. Now VS Code is open, right? So what I'm gonna do is that I'll just create another cell. Now why do I need list? Suppose I create variables like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 23, c is equal to 22, d is equal to 55. Now if I print them, I'll use print a comma b comma c comma d. I'll just create just select our environment. Now it says this one is just now we printed out this value. Now suppose the value are dynamic, like for instance if I write c is equal to 34, so it changed the value of c. As you can see, the value of c is changed. Now if the list is basically the data are huge, suppose I created only 4 variables. Now if I need to examine lots and lots of data, suppose I am accessing data of a bank customers basically, so we'll have n number of datas. So to store them I need to have an efficient way. So the same thing that I used here, I will just create another one. I will just create list is a variable with a square bracket. I will just define the value 10 comma 23 comma 22 comma 55. So if I print it, print list, so we can get the value in an ordered sequence, right? It helps us store all values in a single variable, or basically data type, that is list. Now if I have to just let's just type print the data type, we will just find out type a. What is it? It is an integer variable. Now in the C, let me just change it to data. Then I'll type C. It is string, correct? Now if I type here type list, so it is a list data type, right? Now list has one very beautiful thing is that we can store different kind of data in a list. Just in the previous year, we are creating different variables to store our data, then printing those variables, which is very hectic. But in list, we can create n number of variables and can change them because it is mutable, right? So if I type here silver, it will still print the type as list, and if I just print it out, it will just uh, print these values. Now one important is duplicates. This is about creating the list. Creating list. Correct? Now I will just do one thing is duplicates. Duplicates. Lists can help us create duplicates. For example, if I type data, it's a variable. I'll just write 1, 1, 2, 2, uh, home, then we have silver, home. Now list, if I just print it, it can create duplicates. Basically it allows duplicates. So overall, list is a very powerful data type in Python. So suppose I would do is here, let me just go back to VS Code again. Now lists are basically defined using the index numbers. What is index number? Is basically the place where the data are stored. So here it begins with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next video I will show how we can access elements on the list. So basically it can help us cover out a lot of concepts which can be pretty much helpful in the later run in learning more about data science. I hope this video was helpful to anyone who is trying to learn or trying to revise. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.